Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to code a drop and beacon for Ark Survival Evolved. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go into maps, and today I just selected Ragnarok, and then you're going to go back to your loot drop contents. So I know a lot of people have tutorials and videos on this and stuff, but I just wanted to break it down because there's people like me who are kind of slow and we take a little bit to pick things up. So I wanted to break it down for you guys who still are a little bit confused. I hope you can see everything that's popping up. So for Ragnarok, you're going to need your island, your scorched, and of course you want to do your bonus drops as well, which are your ring drops. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, hold shift, click this, and then hit next. I'm not really going to worry about this right now, so we're just going to hit done. Now you're going to click your island white drop. You're going to go ahead and click this plus sign right here, and I'm just going to add a basic starter kit into this. So I'm just going to title this starter kit. Anyways, so you want to keep this open, your settings. Then you're going to click this plus sign, and I'm just going to go ahead and add like some armor and some weapons into this. So I'm going to start with some flak. And I'm going to show you two ways to do this. So the first way is I'm going to have merge selections into one entry, and I'm going to go ahead and have it to where they just get one of these. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and I'll do quantity of 1 or 2, so it's a possibility they'll get 1 to 2. See, as you can see, my simulation, it's randomized. It is a chance that they could get duplicates. Your quality, I usually select mine at primitive, of course, and then you can set yours to whatever you want. Sometimes I'll go journeyman all the way up to mastercraft. Again, it's entirely up to you, it's your server. So I'll just go ahead and hit journeyman. Chance of blueprint, I usually set that at 0 in my white drops. If you want them to 100% chance, always get a blueprint, of course, set it to 100% chance. I'm going to set mine to 0. And then the weight, we're not really going to worry about. It's not super important. So we're going to hit OK. So now they have a 1 to 2 chance of getting a piece of armor. So I'm also going to go ahead and add some weapons. So we'll do like a shotgun, a slingshot, and maybe even a pike. And I'm going to keep everything up here the same. I'm going to change my blueprint to 0%. And I'm going to go ahead and merge the selections into one entry. So now they have a chance of getting one of these items. I'm also going to add some berry bush seeds, which a lot of servers use those as in-game currency. I am one of those. So 0% chance. Blueprint, and then I'm going to make it to where they can get up to 50 of these. So as you can see in my simulation, it's fluctuating. So go ahead and hit OK. And then down here, you can see if your drops are working. So you can just hit this refresh button. And the reason it's fluctuating like that is because I have my minimum and my maximum entries right here. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to 3 to 4. And now that means they're going to always get a minimum of 3 items from here. So they could get all 3 of these. And then of course this also plays in of what they'll get. So you can click that to see if it's working. And so if you don't want to have it like that, you want to make sure they get it every time. I believe you can still merge it into one entry. You just have to put 5 out of 5. But with that, it's possible you will get duplicates. So we're going to go ahead and just delete this. And we're going to go ahead and open this back up. We're going to type in flak. Going to select all of these, 0% chance of blueprint. You can keep everything at 1. So now they're going to pop up as their own separate lines. And so for the sake of argument, if I want them to get every item in here, I'm going to go ahead and change this to minimum of 7 maximum of 7. So, and then you can come down here, do your simulator, and voila, your drop is working. Now, if you want all of your white drops to be the same, you can just go ahead and copy this, paste it in here. And then with the bonus drops or the raindrops, I like to usually do about the same, but of course I add like a spyglass, a GPS, and that's usually it. I mean, I guess it just depends. Anyway, so if you want to fix that, you can make this go up to 9, so that way they'll get everything every time. And of course, if you wish, you can go in here and you can change the max, the quality of the item if you want to. And you can check your quality right here. And that is pretty much it for coding the drops. Again, like I said, just check your simulators to make sure that they're working, and you should be good to go.